Okay, fellas, it's Mike, aka Super 64. I want you guys to look at this thing and tell me what the hell you guys think is going on, because I can't figure it out for the life of me. So I'm gonna try and get it up here so that you guys can see what it's doing. Everything's balanced, everything's the same, there's nothing off. That's what it does at wobbling, and I'm asking for your guys' help because I sure in hell don't know why it is. Like I said, everything on the head it's all equal, it's all level, it's all the same. I mean, I weighed the flybar paddles, I weighed the flybar weights, weighed the blades, trackings on. All the linkage in here is all leveled out, and I just don't know what it is, fellas. So I'm looking for your help. Thanks.